Certainly, here are 10 gardening tips for cleaning and maintaining your garden. 1. Regular weeding. Keep your garden free of weeds by regularly pulling them out. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients and space. 2. Pruning and trimming. Prune and trim your plants as needed to remove dead or overgrown branches. This encourages healthy growth. 3. Mulching. Apply mulch to your garden beds to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 4. Watering. Water your plants deeply and consistently. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the roots. 5. Fertilizing. Feed your plants with the appropriate fertilizer based on their needs. Different plants have different nutrient requirements. 6. Cleaning tools. Regularly clean and maintain your gardening tools to ensure they work effectively. Sharp, well-maintained tools make gardening tasks easier. 7. Compost. Start a compost pile to recycle kitchen and garden waste. Compost enriches your soil naturally. 8. Proper storage. Store gardening supplies like pots, tools, and chemicals in a dry, secure place to extend their lifespan. 9. Seasonal cleanup. Conduct thorough cleanups in the spring and fall, removing debris, dead leaves, and spent plants to prevent disease and prepare for the next season.